for a better way. If we change back then we could change again. We could be beautiful, just not today.
Alright everyone, class dismissed. Oh, and don't forget, you'll stay behind. There's a basket and someone's gonna clean it up.
Of course, it's okay. Maybe you should just become a janitor in Mordred.
Yeah, you and your room. True love story of the year.
Oh, come on. Don't be mean. He's just dedicated.
I'm fine, you can all go.
Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Calm down, Your Majesty. Did you know we were in the presence of a royal king?
He hides somehow. There's more to this boy than sorrow.
Alright, enough chatter. Everyone now. Fred, just make sure this place doesn't look like a tornado hit, okay?
Don't forget to polish my desk, future janitor.
In the quiet that follows a busy school day, the clash of grass chat, scattered chairs, messy belongings, echoes of laughter still clinging to the air. Here, where everything seems ordinary, destiny is already stirring. And with everyone gone, only one boy remains to face it.
Another day, another mess.
As Mordred cleans their classroom, he stumbles upon a book that looks ancient and magical.
The Legend of King Arthur. Huh, haven't heard of that one before. Seriously, is this a prank from Arthur again?
That's children woman.
Okay, whoever's doing the surrounding sound thing, great job. You've officially freaked me out.
Destiny calls those who seek. As Mordred took his vision, too late, a pretty flash envelope
Wait, what's
was
happening?
Where peace, unity, and chivalry is enforced. Arthur, be careful. That cleaning material is heavier than it looks.
Then I better leave it before I decide to leave it first.
You work harder than half the men in Canada, Dad. And he's not leaving tonight. Maybe the king should take note. Most people would put the hats for us, folks. Bless you, young Arthur. You work with the heart of a servant, yet the heart of a king.
If I can ease your burden, even a little, then I'm glad.
There, the boy of the cross, humble yet noble in spirit.
reckless world. Can make a reckless I could just have one dream. I'd make a reckless world.
Arthur, now older, stands before the stone in the center of the hamlet. People gather, peasants, knights, and onlookers whisper excitedly.
What manner of sword is this? Set fast in stone? No man can ever hope to draw it forth.
He's trying. He'll fail like the rest. Can he really do it?
If fate wills it, then so shall it be.
Hey, Arthur! King of Britain!
Days at last you freedom, something they could never take away, no matter what you tell you. Praise at last to the rest of us. Tomorrow there'll be more of us, telling the story of tonight. They'll tell the story of tonight.
With Arthur's success of pulling the Excalibur out of the stone, he is now crowned as the King of Camelot.
The banners are up, it's all set. I can't believe I'm really king. Do we own 8,000 golden plates? Castle walls, white walls, no walls. Finally they're opening up the gates. Shining, and all this made the dream is inside is 10 years old. Is for the first time I'm suffering. There'll be cheer for the first time as a sovereign. All of Camelot will hear. And don't make no brother nervous, but then we're not royal song. It's for the first time as a sovereign, I will have my throne. Some things never change. Turn around and I must know. Some things stay the same. Though the future remains unknown, when a good thing lasts, we pass, time moving fast, it's true. Some things never change. Holding on tight to you. Holding on tight to you. Holding on tight to you.
No, no, no! I can't even watch when they cheer for his name, and they kneel when he passes now. Arthur needs to be toppled. Sorry, Merlin. I swear I'll get that crown somehow. Let's start a war now.
To Camelot and to the bright days we have forged together, may peace and plenty reign for all of our people.
Never thought I'd be the day when Arthur would give a speech longer than a sword fight.
A miracle, truly. Maybe the next prophecy should be about that.
Laugh on my friends. But remember, it was each of your blades, not just mine, that built this piece.
Still, no one pulls a sword from a stone quite like you, my king.
Or gets stuck under its weight quite as often.
You've done so much for Camelot, my lord. If only peace could last forever.
Long live the king!
Long live the king!
You shouldn't be here, Lancelot. If Arthur finds out...
If Arthur finds out, let him know I'll be queen, not as a knight, but as a man.
Maybe one night,
Just this evening,
don't stop looking in my eyes. Get me beyond and free. Is that so wrong to do? If you could let me in, would you still love me true? Let us be young and free, even just for tonight. So what's this gonna be? I wanna be with you. Wanna be with you tonight.
Lancelot! Guinevere, my love! How could you betray me like this?
Arthur, I can explain.
it's not what it looks like.
Banish them from Camelot!
No!
Arthur, forgive me, please!
No, Arthur, please!
After Arthur found out about Lancelot and Guinevere's affair, he banished them from his kingdom and threw them both in the deep dungeons.
The king is bright, the path is good. I have no fear nor no one should. Camelot is safe as Camelot. So stop all your fighting, I'm sure we'll be gaining. They say the battle is near. My crops, my home, what will become of us if the walls fall? Every kingdom that forgets love is doomed to crumble. Remember mine. Will King Arthur protect us? He has never failed us before, right?
Arthur, feeling betrayed, prepares his men for battle.
Prepare the men! We cannot wait! Mordred's forces gather at the northern border!
Sir, yes, sir. But he's your king, my king. You raised him as your own.
And yet, he betrayed me as no enemy ever could!
By your side, my king, we shall defend Camelot till his last breath.
Rah!
Knights to gather on the border.
You think I wanted this? I fought for justice and they called me a traitor. I spoke the truth and they silenced me.
My lord, the people follow Arthur blindly. Let them see who bleeds for them when he's gone.
Mordred, your anger bites you. This is not your sword that makes your blood.
Then let it be rewritten in fire. Ah!
justice. Manalana Vedas. Roar!
The strong shall be purged. How much will fall beneath my hand?
Enough, Mordred! This ends now!
It ended the daylight to me. The day called your son. Like your sin. Ah!
My dear, your battle is done. The lady of the lake awaits to carry you home.
Not weep with me, dear friend. For the king's died. The dream of Camelot shall live on.
Sorry, my king. Camelot will remember you. Forgive me, my king. Your sword shall find its place.
A story must end for another to begin.
I thought I understood the story, but it's never just a tale of heroes and villains. It was about betrayal and how it changes people.
You've seen the truth, young one. The world you entered was not a curse, but a mirror. Every betrayal, everyone reflected of the hate of those who never learned to forgive.
Guinevere, what are you doing?
I am the last daughter of Camelot.
You killed my king, and now you're gonna pay for it for the death of Martin for the fuck Camelot.
And I'm asking why you gone. If this is how he died, why maybe your magic at the end have
Well, that was something. You know what they say? Chaos is what killed the dinosaurs. But maybe there was never a villain. Just people desperate to shine.
Thus ends the tale of Arthur, yet his spirit guides the heart of man. The legend shall never die.